Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll explain step by step how you can start earning money from Meesho, India's #1 reselling and shopping platform. Whether you're a student, homemaker, or anyone looking for extra income, this guide is going to be very useful for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Download and set up. Meesho. The first step is to download the Meesho app from the Play Store or App Store. It's completely free. Once you install it, sign up using your mobile number or email. Set up your profile, and you're ready to explore thousands of products. Step 2. Choose products to sell. Meesho has a huge collection: clothing, kitchen items, electronics, accessories, and more. Your job is to select products that you think your friends, family, or social media followers would be interested in buying. Choose products with good ratings and affordable prices, because these sell faster. Step 3. Share with customers. The third step is to share the products. Meesho makes this very easy. You can directly share product images, descriptions, and prices with your contacts on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. This way, you don't need to invest in inventory. You just promote the products. Step 4. Add your profit margin. Here's the most important step: deciding your profit margin. Suppose a kurti costs 400 rupees on Meesho. You can share it with your customers for 500 rupees. That extra 100 rupees will be your profit. You can set your own margin for every product. Step 5. Order and delivery. When your customer confirms, simply place the order on Meesho with their delivery address. The best part? Meesho handles the packing, shipping, and delivery. You don't have to worry about logistics. Once the order is delivered successfully, your profit gets credited directly to your bank account. Step 6. Grow your business. To earn more, keep